Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal and you're watching Nifty and Banknifty short term view. What a volatile trading session we had today. We saw Nifty spot opening almost near 18,596, gap down. We saw an intraday sell-off almost till 18,485. Then once again we saw a bounce back from 18,485 till 18,564, and then once again in the last few minutes we saw a little bit of selling coming up from the highs which we made around 18,564 in the early candle of 215 to 315 to 330. Now, if you check properly, the overall trend in the daily chart is up. You can see the price is trading above 12 moving averages. In the early time frame charts, since the price is trading in between both of the 12 moving averages, the trend is completely flat. Neither it is up, neither it is down. And if you remember in previous videos, probably last to last video, I had clearly shared that the way Nifty is rallying, it's a clear sign that Nifty is slightly overbought and it needs to cool down. It needs to retrace. And possibly after this retracement, there is a possibility or a probability that the uptrend will resume and Nifty will start trading on the upside. Now, what was the first reason the way Nifty came down, with a very high momentum? Because I was not expecting with such a high momentum Nifty will come down. But the reason for that is this particular trend line. You can see it has been tested 1, 2, 3 and over here. Yes, you can say that Nifty has not tested this trend line, but at times what happens is price can sense that trend line resistance is almost around that zone and price will start correcting and profit booking will be seen in the market. Okay. Now, apart from this trend line, if you check the hourly time frame chart, what has happened is the prices have come down. They have tested the support band. Now, this support band is within, you can say, the coordinates of 18,554 to 18,430. So as per my analysis, till the time price is trading above this previous high, this is a support, by the way, the previous high is a support. As far as Nifty spot is trading above 18,420, 18,430, I think things are fine. There will still be a possibility of a pullback. But as soon as we start closing below this particular support band with a big red candle, things will change and probably we'll have some rough times coming ahead in the market. And probably some lower levels could also be tested in the short term. As a short-term trader, we need to understand that the biasness is certainly on the upside, but today's volatility was extremely high. I'm not talking about just that prices opened at this particular juncture and corrected till this level. No, I'm not talking about that. With the speed with which market was going up and it was coming down, and as an intraday trader, it was extremely high. So that is what you need to understand. And based on that particular volatility, you need to adjust your position sizing, because when market goes up or comes down very fast, and especially if you're trading in options and tomorrow is expiry, you need to be very, very careful about your position sizing. Now, if you come to Bank Nifty is much more stronger in comparison to Nifty. You can see that there is a hell lot of range bound choppiness movement over here, and this zone is working actually favorable for the Bank Nifty, and it is working as a support band. So the level below which Bank Nifty can probably get a little bit weakish is 43,800 or 43,780. This is a small band of 20 points below which I think there will be some sort of selling pressure more evident in the market. And overall, as a trader, I believe that Bank Nifty is looking stronger, but we'll need to trade above this particular high of the last candle of today. If that happens, and if you see a pretty decent candle on the upside, a green colored candle on the upside, there's a possibility that momentum will continue on the upside. All right. Now, as a trader, you need to understand that if Nifty wants to go up higher, okay, the main sector which will have to do the heavy pulling of the market, and the main sector responsible for the markets to go higher will be Bank Nifty, will be the banking pack, whether it is PSU banking pack, whether it is private banking pack. You need to be very much open about it and understand that you will have to find stocks which are not extremely overstretched, which are probably trying to give fresh breakouts and participate on the upside momentum. All right. So I hope this video was helpful for you to understand how markets might move in the short term in the next 2 to 3 days. Trade well, stay safe. Thank you.